Yo, what's up YouTube man? It's your boy Big Rice Gaming man, back for another video. And for today man, as y'all can see the title, y'all know what I'm about to do today. And we just about to do a challenge, no regen challenge. So I'm basically only using a recall, so for me to able to get my health back. So you know what I'm saying. And make sure y'all subscribe to man, like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? So just stay tuned, alright? Let's go, y'all. No regen challenge, man. Let's do this thing. For sure. We're gonna get them savages again. Let's see if we do. And it's crazy. I was thinking about how hard this is gonna be, because you know how difficult it is not using a regen. You know, to fight somebody while you're on that thing, you feel me? So, hey, let's see what I can do though. I can do something about it for sure. I mean, I can only use so hard, so. Shit, let's get it, y'all. Let's go. About that time, about to murder some motherfuckers, y'all. Saying, let's do it.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Welcome, Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deploy. Request backup!
The way of the hunter. Modern, respectful, and sincere. The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness. My arrow is my answer.
First blood!
The eclipse.
An enemy has...
So that was a f***ing lie.
Request backup!
For Azria, our last homeland. Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering we'll go through. The moonlight spares no mercy to the
The
foes.
enemy has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
The way of the bow,
An enemy has been slain.
reserved and understated. The gentle moonlight heals my wounds. The way of the arrow, swift, silent, and precise. Watch your back.
An enemy has been slain.
Fade into the moonlight.
Ally has been slain.
Wise choice.
Ally has been slain.
Bro, this is so fucking hard, bro.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
My aim is true. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Bruh, no.
right, like...
You have slain an enemy. Request back.
The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated.
Our turret is under attack.
Oh my god, dog.
Eclipse.
Bro, this thing is beating me off because I can't use no fucking lead, dog. And I would have been dominating right now. I don't even know if we're gonna win or not, but hey, if we lost at this point, we're gonna do one more time.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Legendary. An enemy
From the
has
great
been
forest.
slain.
The moonlight spared no mercy to the foe.
Fuck, dog.
Watch your back.
Initiate retreat.
Stop it. Get some help.
Slain.
Bro, I can't do anything, dog.
May the moon forever shine upon us.
You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain.
For Azria, our last homeland.
An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Let's get back here, let's go.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Can't press it.
My aim is true.
Oh, fool, man.
Eclipse.
Enemy has been slain.
Fuck, man.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Bro, there's some fucking dog shit,
What do you mean by that?
dog.
Initiate attack.
Come on, y'all.
Tolerated.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Fade into the moonlight.
Killing spree.
Do anything about it, y'all. I'm getting stressed right now. I'm getting stressed right now. Jesus Christ.
My aim is true. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Mega kill. Request backup.
The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded.
Initiate retreat. Double kill.
Fuck, yo.
Double kill.
Eclipse.
Yes, no shit, the fuck?
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Request backup. Legendary.
Fade into the moonlight.
Bro, I need help.
Request backup. Thank you.
GG's, man, GG's. This shit's so fucking ass. Bro, get mad, bro, I can do anything about it, bro, without me using my regen. Cause if I would use my regen the whole time, I would have been fucking their ass up. Crazy. I did a terrible too, though. I got 10 deaths and 4 fucking kills, 4 assists. That's terrible. That is terrible, man. Yeah, man, that's so fucking ass, bro. I don't know if I would do this shit again without a regen and shit, cause I can't do it without a fucking help. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, we did some little bit of thing though, you know. We helped our team, just a little bit, but pretty much didn't do nothing at all. So I'm not saying I don't like it or like it, whatever, but it's alright, man. So make sure y'all hit the fucking like, subscribe button, turn on notifications bell, alright? So one day we probably get a chance to play. Feel me? Boom, I'm out, and I don't like this challenge.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit